Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Pisces. What's going on with y'all, Pisces? What's going on with us? Let's talk about it. I'm here to do a reading for us. Crosswise included. You're welcome to be here to investigate. You know what I'm saying? Eavesdrop, whatever you want to call it. We want to be in our business, and I get it. It's understandable. It's Pisces. But it involves all of the signs of the zodiac, so you would want to get involved if you are cross-watching. You know what I'm saying? Not to even toot my own horn. Plus, trust me, it's exhausting being a Pisces. What the fuck? Anyway, but it's a 4-card draw. I'm going to hold you a little long, you heard? Starting it off with the Moon card in reverse, which is a Pisces card, followed by the Ace of Wands, which wants to be famous today, and that's okay. Camera's rolling. Let's get to it. Followed by the Page of Swords in reverse, followed by the Two of Cups, also in reverse. Okay. So setting it off here, like I said, we got a Pisces card out here. The Moon deals with mystery, deals with secrets, deals with the third eye, deals with the bigger vision, the bigger picture. What's happening with us is we're starting to relinquish, let go of any type of anxieties or fears that we have been experiencing. And I think it's even more heightened at this time for the simple fact that Saturn is transiting through the sign of Pisces. You know what I'm saying? Saturn has taught Pisces, because it's advanced, it's at 26 degrees now. It has taught us, and the Pisces energy in general, of course, to create boundaries, to create firm boundaries. They are much needed for the rest of your life. Let this transit impact you for the rest of your life, Pisces. All right? Some of y'all have built boundaries that you never thought that you'd build. And y'all are like, yeah. Some of y'all have raised the toll price on the bridges to get to you. Yeah, that part. Let's talk about it. And rightfully so. Because that's what it's time for. Because it's a transit there. And with the North Node being there, it's telling you even more to remember this for the rest of your life. Because when it comes to your vision, it is necessary that you create boundaries, because your dreams reside there. What you want to be, all you can be, all resides there. So fuck what the other people are talking about. Like, if you aren't, some of y'all need to quit your job. Some of y'all need to quit your job. You've been there too long. You're just relying on the same fucking paycheck or the same pattern, the same routine, because it's comfortable and you don't even fucking like it. Quit your fucking job. I'm dead ass. Just quit that shit, yo. Fire your boss. Say, yo, who the fuck is coming with me? Just get it done. Get her done. Because with this Ace of Wands out here, you're super creative. And I mean, and look, I'm not talking about a content creator too. Like, even what I'm doing right now, this is not content creation. I do not call this content creation. This is me turning on the camera, doing a spiritual reading. I'm basically just channeling with some symbols in front of me to help me guide me through what it is that I'm channeling, which is merely a planetary transit, a group of planetary transits occurring at this very time anyhow. You know, I just might be a little bit amusing or animated while doing it for you. Pause. But this is not content creation. I mean, go create something, motherfucker. Go build something with your hands. Go create. If you write, turn that shit into a song, into a poem, into a script, you know what I'm saying? If you're speaking, do it in a way that's musically or something like that. You understand what I'm saying? Don't turn on the camera and start talking and call yourself a creator. Come on, man. Knock it off. Knock it off. I must say that with conviction. I don't want you fooling yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about the real creative spark inside of you. Like Transformers, the spark inside of the chest. Yo, you got that shit, B. Use it. Use it. And I mean that quit your job shit, because I feel like y'all are not going to be able to use your spark if your time is occupied the majority of the day. And if you knew what I knew, especially about the tech industry and a whole lot of other shit, crypto and all, if you knew what I knew about shit that's transpiring behind the scenes and that's about to unfold in next few years and stuff like that, you'd quit your fucking job, yo. You'd find a way to do it, B. You'd really tap into what I'm saying right now. I will tell you this, though. Have a knowledge base when you quit and do what you're about to do. Don't just be the creative that's a creative. Because when you get creative, you're just merely going to be a vessel for channeling. I'm just keeping it a being with you. And yeah, you can attribute it to yourself and your characteristics because you were the vessel to do it. But what you're doing is just grabbing from the ether and forming it. But who else is going to do it? We need more creativity in this world right now. And this is what you're being called to do. Create. Take people to those other worlds, to your imagination. Let them see what it is. So format it in a way that they can see it. That's not so mundane and fucking simple as a lot of these content creations are. These reality TV shows where everybody's running up on each other and swinging on each other. I don't watch them, but I can't help but see clips of them as I'm scrolling down my feeds too. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm not better than nobody because I don't watch them shits. I'm just saying, what's the fucking point? This is a Pisces reading. And I think y'all should be more in tune with the sci-fi of the world. More in tune with the mysterious, spooky, what people are calling horror because they don't understand the sixth sense. You understand what I'm saying? I'm talking about that type of shit, yo. Get creative with that shit, yo. Go do a horror film. I want to see it, yo. I love B-rated films with tits in the beginning of the movie, tits all throughout the movie. Show me some shit, like go create some shit like that. I might even star in it. Let me know. But it's a dire need, yo. You seen McDonald's? Like, I don't know if y'all seen the TikTok video. It might be a TikTok video. But it's like a TikTok video floating around right now, and they showing you how McDonald's has devolved, I guess you can say, over the past 20 to 30 years. I know when I was a kid, McDonald's was fun as shit. Like, they had the fucking parks in the front of it and shit with the slides, and then Ronald McDonald used to be present and shit, like with the statues at least, you know, with the McBurglar and all that shit. Like, they was hanging out in the front. Like, what the fuck happened? It used to be all red and yellow and blue. McDonald's look like a fucking corporate office now. Real talk. All of them. All of them. Yo, all of the fast food chains look like that now. Gray, black. Fuck is y'all doing? Y'all know what y'all doing. I know what they doing. I know I've studied color schemes and stuff like that. You know, the marketers of the world, the psychologists are behind that. You understand what I'm saying? And this is why I'm saying creativity is needed more than ever right now. Yeah, AI is out there and people are scared for their jobs and all of that shit. But listen, buddy, that shit can only help you if you create the mindset that says, I'm going to use that shit to help me, and I'm going to intervene in spaces where they think they're going to take people's jobs. And I'm going to show them how they can't take people's jobs in that instance. You understand what I'm saying? Get creative, yo. It's necessary. And be a leader, be a pioneer in it. I'm telling you. Look, I don't want to sound too secretive and shit. And with the moon being in reverse out here, I'm not. Like, yo, the tech industry is really about to take off, B. That shit that's been happening is the tip of the iceberg. People think you seen Facebook with consolidated power. You seen Google with consolidated power. What is happening right now? Man, that power is about to be dispersed. But it's going to create way more millionaires. Get creative, yo. Now, let's get to this. There's someone that you're involved with or someone that's involved with you. Could be your lover. Could be someone other. Bars, I'm nice. We fucking know that already. But this person has an ego issue. Now, it might be a problem. That will be up to them to personally decide and decipher for themselves. But what I can tell you is when it comes to you, you've identified it. They have an ego issue. And it's serious. It's serious when it comes to you because this person is not concerned with your feelings. So if you've been asked, for those of you who have been asking and pondering on it and speaking with your spirit guide, speaking to God about it, the answer is yes. They don't give a fuck about how you feel. I'm just keeping it a bean. Somebody's got to do that part. Let me be the vessel. They don't care about how you feel. And that's not gonna fly with you, Pisces. And it's not like you're asking for a lot. You just want them to be expressive. And they can't do that for some mental reason. But I say it's a mental reason because the expression is the soul, which is the ego. So why can't they be expressive with you? What is it about you that they can't be expressive for? It's still an ego issue. They're trying to protect their ego, but they're also needing to feed their ego by starving you of expression, of emotional expression as well. Let's get the moon. Let's drag the moon in. The moon is out here because you don't feel nothing from this person. It's just like they're just like a fucking bot or something. It's like, and it makes you suspicious of them. Reason being is because they talk well. So y'all have hit it off as far as speaking goes, but you've noticed and detected even in the speaking that y'all are not in harmony. And you've pondered on it and thought to yourself, well, if I can pick up on this, why don't they speak about that part? Because this is what I'm saying. They speak well. They speak as if y'all are the greatest thing since sliced bread. They speak as if y'all have so much potential. And y'all probably do, but on a spiritual level. It don't go no further than that. On a personal level, that person fucking sucks. And the reason being because, look, I'm looking at how this page is. It's like their body, they got an ego issue, B, and it's with you. It's like it's something about you that they resent or that triggers them or something, because their body is like towards this way, but their head is like this way, which means they just do one of these. They just do these toss the bait out there to see if they can get you to bite. And then when you bite, they on some cold shit like sucker. You know? They don't reciprocate it back. They're just like cold as ice, ignoring you and ghosting you and shit like that. And you like, yo, but when you speak with them, or when they feel like speaking to you, and they be like, oh yeah, we like this. They might even call you twin. Some of y'all, they might have called y'all twin or something like that. Like, yeah, twin, you know, we like this and we like that. And you like, we are not compatible though. And if y'all were ever thinking about getting into a relationship with that person, I'm telling you like this, do what you want to do, but you're going to be an unhappy couple. You're going to be an unhappy couple. And I get it. You know, I know plenty of couples that are still together. They've been with each other for mad long and they can't fucking stand each other. If that's what you want to do, go ahead. But don't say that I didn't tell you about this person. Because they're never going to give you what you need as far as emotional fulfillment. It's like they don't have an emotional, intelligent bone in their body. And if they do, because this person's not stupid, they're intelligent, but they're going off of intelligence and ego only. So they feel whatever they say is trump and boss over everything else. If you think that they're going to fulfill you emotionally and with expression and with fun and stuff like that, fucking forget about it. That person is going to make you miserable. That person is only interested in feeding their own ego and feeding their own soul. And they're like that with everyone. So, do with that what you will. Y'all are not equally yoked. So for those of you who was thinking like, yeah, I could, I've told you. So, till next time, I'm out.